Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest health tips and natural remedies to help you live your happiest and healthiest life. Today, we're going to talk about the amazing health benefits of Amla, also known as the Indian gooseberry. Amla is a superfood that's packed with nutrients and has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Here are 8 excellent disease reversal benefits of Amla that you should know about. Amla is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your body against oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Amla is great for your digestive health. It can help improve digestion, reduce inflammation in the gut, and even alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Amla is known to boost your immune system. It can help increase the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and diseases. Amla can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. It contains compounds that can help reduce the buildup of plaque in your arteries and improve circulation. Amla can help improve your skin and hair health. It's rich in vitamin C, which can help improve collagen production, reduce inflammation, and even fight against acne and other skin conditions. Amla is great for your eyesight. It contains high levels of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy eyesight and preventing age-related macular degeneration. Amla can help manage diabetes. It contains compounds that can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Amla is great for your brain health. It contains compounds that can help improve cognitive function, reduce inflammation in the brain, and even protect against Alzheimer's disease. So there you have it, the 8 excellent disease reversal benefits of Amla. Whether you consume it in its raw form, juice it, or take it as a supplement, incorporating Amla into your diet can do wonders for your overall health. Let us know in the comments below if you've tried Amla and how it's benefited you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies.